Oh, there it is. There it is. What is going on today, guys? Welcome back. We are just, just hanging out in the back parking lot, just waiting very impatiently for a big delivery truck to drop off something very, very nice that we have been waiting for a long time. So I won't tell you guys too much about it. I've seen pictures of it. I've never seen it in person. Something we've needed for a long time. So anyway, take your guesses down below, but we're just out here just waiting. Just waiting. This is kind of sounds a little similar to when Kyle dropped off our crew cab project over there, but we've actually seen what it is. We know what is coming. You guys don't know, but you'll know very soon. Hopefully any minute now they'll be pulling in. It takes a big it's a big delivery truck to drop this thing off. This thing's pretty heavy. Hopefully you guys will probably get the hint there.
Can you honk the horn? Did you hear that? Do it again. Beep hard.
All right, there he goes. Forklift man. The old freight shaker. Alrighty guys, here she is. Look at this beast. Oh yes, we finally have a forklift. So let's talk about it a little bit. I know this video and the last video we're talking a little bit, not really working. We'll get to working, don't worry. But this thing, let's talk about this. We searched high and low, we came across this. I feel like I got a pretty decent deal on it, but let's go over some specifics of what I was really looking for and what we're looking at here. So this is obviously a Mitsubishi. Now, funny thing is, I was really actually hung up on trying to find a cat forklift. Come to find out through all of my research, now I'm a forklift expert, of course, but cat forklifts are Mitsubishi forklifts. Cat never made their own forklifts, but I'm on a cat kick with all the Peterbilt stuff, so I really wanted, even if it was just private labeled Cat, I really wanted one. But anyway, you pay a lot more for that Cat name when it's really just a Mitsubishi anyway. So this is a Mitsubishi 5,000 pound machine. Obviously it's propane, 3-stage, so it goes up 15, 16 feet, whatever you want to call it. Solid pneumatic tires. Now the pneumatic machines compared to like the smooth warehouse tires, completely different machine, along with all of the gravel and kind of rough terrain a little bit. I really wanted a pneumatic tire machine, which they're a little bit more salty, but if you're gonna do it, you might as well just do it. The last thing I want to do is try and get stuck and slip, and if this is wet and all that. So for 4,900, it's got just under 5,000 hours, which from all my research, it seems like 20,000 hours is where they get really clapped out. So by all means, I mean, this is a very low hour machine. The tires are good, except for the one over here. This kind of annoyed me. I did not know about this tire. Again, it's a completely solid tire, but she's got a chunk missing out of it. But we finally have our forklift. Now, what do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below if you guys have any other names. But I was thinking Frank the fork truck, Frank the forklift. Frank the tank from what's that movie? Dang it, old school, Frank the tank. So this is Frank the fork truck, Freddy the fork truck. I mean, something with an F, but Frank the fork truck, I believe, is pretty fitting. But this thing is super clean. I'm not sure if this is technically the right pin down in here. I'm not sure if you guys can see, it's really bright out, but this pin seems a little loose. So I'm not sure This just kind of looks like a tractor supply pin, but maybe not. Maybe that is the right pin, but not sure. I thought the pins on this were a little bit bigger, not as sloppy, but who knows, that'll probably do. But let me lift this thing up for you guys. No leaks, no nothing. It's a 99, 98. Now, you guys already know, this teal blue color is not going to be here for very, very long. We are 100% going to black this thing out, and, you know, give this thing a complete makeover. And hold on. God, I always need two hands. Always need two hands. Let me put you guys down right here. Lift this unit up. Oh. But just look how clean this thing is in here. I don't know, what do you think? You think we got enough room to put a turbo on this thing? But it actually was owned by a church for a food service. So with that being said, you know that it really wasn't abused a whole lot. It was just doing, you know, wasn't really lifting probably anything super heavy. It wasn't allowed to have any leaks. So yeah, this is it. This is Frank the fork truck. Now, let's talk about some modifications that we got to do here. Now, besides painting it all black, I do want to upgrade some lights here. So if any of you guys got some, you know, 2x2 cubes laying around, maybe we'll put a light bar up there. I think really we're going to stick with some cubes up here. So who knows? You got some cubes laying around? Maybe we'll probably put a light bar in the back maybe. But all the lights work. Really just a solid older unit. We weren't going to spend money on a brand new one, so this was a great deal. Everything works as it should, and we'll get this thing painted up. But we're going to test this thing out because we got some stuff to move. I'm actually going to move the green bean over there. We're going to move that in the back here. I need to get the lawnmower out, but here she is. I'm not sure if you guys want to know anything else about it, but it's been gone through. The guy who I bought it from actually owns a dealer, so he completely checked it out and said it was a confirmed beast. And yeah, what else? There was something else that I wanted to do to this thing. We got paint, we got lights. Oh, fork extensions. I was going to make my own fork extensions out of some rectangular tubing. That's what I wanted to get your opinion on. Wanted to get your opinion on if we got some, you know, heavy wall rectangular tubing that would just slide over the whole things. Let me know if you guys have made fork extensions, what you guys have done. We won't be lifting anything like super heavy, but we did actually need to use these pieces of steel from Kyle and clamp them onto his forklift to kind of pick that cab up, which we will have to do again eventually. So here she is. Here she is. If you guys got anything laying around that we could put on this thing, let me know. But there she is. Let's get some stuff moved. Let's drive it around. The other thing is we've had some heavy rain, and I feel like this thing really needs to be rolled again after it's rained now, because now it's starting to really kind of settle in. So who knows? We might have to roll that in, because right over here you can see, yeah, here you can see the fork tracks right here. It's definitely packing it in a little bit more. And over here where he was turning around, it's a little soft in there, but we'll get that figured out. But that is it. Let's drive this thing around. Alrighty, let's fire this thing up. Oh, I shut the gas off. Whoops, shut the gas off. Hopefully we have enough gas. He did not give us a full tank of propane. Oh yeah! We are definitely going to get spoiled now. Picking up anything? Nah. We'll just grab the forklift. Oh yeah. Hey girls! Oh, you brought your tools? You gonna help Daddy fix stuff? Hey, you wanna ride on the forklift? You wanna go for a ride?
Not yet. You wanna honk the horn?
Oh, you wanna honk the horn? Beep beep. Do it.
Honk the horn.
Beep beep. Ooh, that is loud. Wow, that is an ear-piercing horn. Wow. Here, can you hold this?
Yeah.
We're moving stuff here.
Where's he going? Do you want to get down?
Daddy.
Daddy's truck, yeah.
Hot.
It is hot. Time to come. Where are you going?
Come.
You want to go for a ride?
She's backing in. She says, come on, come on.
Back. I thought that noise was this. Here, you want to tell them about the roofers?
No.
Yeah, we do have guys putting a new roof on the house. Luckily insurance covered that one.
From the hail.
From the hail. Hey, back up. Back. He's definitely soft over there.
Tell me how you fix the tire. You come on this side. Just gotta put in everything.
Hey Ray, you want to help Daddy? You want to help Daddy fix his tire?
Go fix the tire.
Come on, let's fix this one. Let's fix this one. We got to get your gun.
Go fix the tire.
Here, come on, we got to fix it.
Help the other one. Go do the other tire.
Oh, you want to do the other tire? You got to take the lug nuts off. No, you only did like one or two. You got to do them all. We out here fixing wheels and tires.
No, that's yucky.
Oh yeah, don't touch that. We didn't bring that inside yet.
Fix this one. Go ahead, fix it.
Good job.
You want a different tool?
Taking the lug nuts off? Are you ready to drive the forklift, babe? In a little bit. We're gonna drag green bean out of here. All right, I thought I had a longer tow strap, but apparently I cannot find it. You ready to drive this beast? What?
Making sure the mailman's not pulling in here.
You ready to go for a ride, Ray?
Woo, hot seat.
It's hot. Probably won't get any cooler painting it black, but
Yeah, it's done.
gonna be hot. She goes, what? I don't know what that squeak is. It wasn't squeaking yesterday. It's just some suspension. A little lube. Uh-oh, did we lose a tool? Lost a tool. My tool! Here you go, Ray. All right, we got her pushed off in the back. The camera died because it is so hot out that it is just dying as well. Babe, I never even asked, what do you think about Frank the Fork Truck?
I think
Do you like Frank the Fork Truck name?
yes.
You have any other suggestions?
No.
Reagan's already, she changed 2 tires and she's already time for a nap.
Yeah.
But
I think it's cute.
I don't want you to say it's cute. It's not a cute piece of equipment, babe. It's a manly beast of a unit. All right, well, test drive number 1 is good to go. Here she is. We finally will be able to say we have a back in 10 to 15 years instead of trying to struggle every time we need to lift something up. So 2 thumbs up for that. Oh, you want to know the biggest problem? Here's the biggest problem that I forgot to mention. Last night, I was thinking no problem, no big deal. This, for the time being, was going to fit inside the home garage. It is like 2 or 3 inches from fitting inside here, and that is what I was planning the entire time. I was planning to put this in there, and now we have to somehow squeeze some more room out of this already cramped shop. Babe, say your famous line. Is she? Hey, don't drill your own eye, girl. Babe, what's your famous saying? I create.
You create your own problems.
Allie's famous saying when I'm not complaining but figuring out how to figure out all my problems is, you create 99% of your own problems. So good luck. I don't feel bad for you. So let's see, where in the heck are we gonna put a forklift inside here? That's the next challenge, because I don't know when the next time it's gonna rain. And Frank the fork truck is an inside forklift. He is not meant to be outside. You know, it's like a pet. He's an indoor pet.
No,
all right, guys.
No dogs, just forklift.
All right, guys. That is pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. Oh my goodness, it is so hot out. It is so hot out. But anyway, that's gonna do it for you this video, guys. Thank you so much for all of the support as always. Are you already saying goodbye? You closing out the video? All right, we're saying goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the like button before you leave. Subscribe if you're not already. I promise the next couple videos we will be inside here working on some stuff. We just have had people nonstop, left and right. Air conditioning went out upstairs. Just you know, just fun, great stuff. Just super fun, great stuff. Anyway, thank you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hit the like button before you leave. Subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you tomorrow.